Boston Ripping Rollers going to the coop. It is Tuesday. Going to check the birds out. Me and Stella. Stella Kid, what's up? Oh, it still smells nice in here. Yesterday I threw some cedar chips in here to make the coop smell pretty nice. And yeah, it does. I got a bag of cedar chips right there. Yeah. Smells good. Looks good. I cleaned it the other day. Yeah, my almond product is doing pretty good. I got one egg in there from the almond so far. This red here with Andalusian looks like she's about to lay an egg. See her tail's all hunched over there in the back. Yeah, I gotta get some of these. I gotta get this cockbird, 2 cockbirds out of here. I'm just gonna keep 1, 2, 3 cockbirds over here. That's half the nest boxes. So if they want to have eggs in 2 boxes, they can. You know. I really would have liked to get this Rick Me bald-headed saddle to one of the yellows too, but I can do it breeding season. See, his legs are droopy. I don't know what's going on with this bird, but he's healthy. He doesn't got a sharp tail. He's strong. Actually, earlier he rolled in the coop. You know, I was watching him. But yeah, I'm hoping this almond takes 2 of these hens. I think that hen there, he likes. No, it's this one here. Or is that one going in with the white bar? I don't know. Yeah. I like that yellow in there too. Let's see what Stella's barking at over here. What are you doing? Crazy dog. Yeah. The hens look nice and fit. Film these a little. Yeah, that yellow right there has a grouse leg. Got the feathers on the feet a little. Some of the birds have it, some of the birds don't. Not many in this loft have it, you know. Not many at all. You see the lavenders, I like the lavenders. She's the mother right there underneath the black and white badge and the blue bar in between. Yeah, she's the mother of that one there. Anything with a pink band she's the mother. The mother of that saddle too, right there on that perch above the checker badge, red check badge. Then she produced a lot of youngsters this year. I got a couple cockbirds in here that are hers too. That one there. That's the father right there, crowing underneath the white, black and white. Where's the other youngster? Oh, where is it? Oh, that's the baby. Right there underneath that white with black specks. And that's the father right there on the in the middle between those birds. That's a youngster. What did it do? It did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 youngsters I got. The year breeding them. My red models, I love them. They can spin, and they seem to take up the birds. I mean, they fly high. When I'm flying youngsters, usually the red model youngsters take them up. Here's one right here going through a molt. That was the father we were just looking at. That's a youngster. Here's the hen. Where is she? Oh, she's there in the corner there. Yeah, right there. That's the hen. The 2 good spinning youngsters. And that's yellow model that's throwing solid yellows. Matter of fact, there's her mate. This model right here, yellow. He spins in the coop too. Well, not spins, he does a flip in the coop. I'm lying, he does a flip. All these birds do a flip, they don't spin. They just do a flip in the coop, you know. But, yeah. That's the white bar cockbird that I got a couple youngsters off of. I traded Jimmy Johnson a couple of the youngsters from this cockbird. Here's the cock. And there's the hen up there, a white bar. Here's a couple of their kids. Let's see, where are they? There's one on the feed dish. And that must be one right up there. Yeah, they're getting big. They're going through a molt, so they'll have all their nice feathers in. Yeah. Everybody always says, "Oh, Arthur, you like colored birds." Not many colored birds in here. Blue bars, red bars, blue checks, blacks, you know. In here too, let's see. Black and whites, blue bars, blacks, black bald heads, black badges. There's a yellow I got from my friend Manny Source. Red bars. That red bar can spin too. I left the door open here. Okay, let me shut this. It smells nice in here with the cedar chips. See, I feed them pellets, so when they shit like seagulls. I mean, they really shit pretty bad and pretty big, and it smells. I think it's because of the pellets. I'm almost positive it's because of the pellets. But, yeah. So, we try to take care of the problem. So when I walk in here, I'm not holding my nose. There's my Andalusian. And another bird that rolls in the coop. Yeah. There's a nice little yellow rolls in the coop. Yeah. She had one egg. That's the one that's made it to the almond. The almond's in there sitting on the egg. That's a good sign. Maybe she just laid her second, you know. Yeah, because her tail looks pretty straight now. It was humped over. Yeah. They were kind of small eggs too. I hope they hatch. You know. white bar. See? It's made it to a hand about the same size as it. Nice pair. You know, for size, they're about the same type. Yeah. Alright, Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a great day and be safe.